Hey Spin Adventurers, and welcome to a really quick video. It's just a random video where I found something out that is probably going to be very helpful to you guys if you constantly forget your bagels in the toaster. So yeah, that's what I did, and I figured, okay, well I'll just put it in this nice beautiful microwave that cooks things and heats it up. So here are the bagels. Yeah, I put some butter on them, and I was like, okay, it'll just melt the butter. Apparently I put them in for too long or something because, I kid you not, it's literally as hard as a rock. Like, did you hear that crunch? That is a crunch. Do not microwave your bagels. Don't do it. Just don't do it. You can put them in the toaster, but if you forget about them, just don't waste your butter because it doesn't work. So hopefully I helped some of you guys out, and hopefully you guys check out some more of my videos and instead of questioning what the heck this is. But I'll see you later. Bye. P.S. You might want to check before biting into it because the taste that lingers in your mouth by the Hard Rock bagel is not pleasant, and your teeth will feel very off from it. Okay, now bye.